This is a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. This car has an automatic transmission and a 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, a sliding rear window, and this vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. A certified pre-owned Volkswagen offers you peace of mind with benefits including a painstakingly detailed 112-point inspection process, a 2-year 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with no deductible, and 2 years of 24-hour roadside assistance. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.